Hey guys, welcome back to Faith, Hope, and Love. In this video, we're going to be putting HyperX keycaps on the Ducky 1-2 Mini. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. You can always unsubscribe later. Let's go get into the time lapse of me putting these bad boys on the Ducky 1-2 Mini.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak, I feel myself fall. Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry, darling, there's no truth here. No. It's just the two of us, my dear. Listen to me, don't you hear? I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby. Don't you let them see your fear. Promise not to shed a tear. I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby.
And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
I drove her away with my